We're going to explain how to run JavaScript on a web page. 1. First, you need a web page, an HTML file. This file acts as the foundation, the structure of your website. You can create one using any text editor and save it with a pointy HTML extension. For example, mypage.html. 2. Inside your HTML file, you need to embed your JavaScript code. There are 3 main ways to do this. 3. The first method is to place your JavaScript code directly within script tags inside the HTML file. These tags tell the browser that the enclosed text is JavaScript. You can place these script tags within the head section or the body section of your HTML. Placing it in the head means the script will run before the page fully loads, while placing it in the body means it will run after the page loads. Example: script alert, hello world, script. 4. The second method involves creating a separate JavaScript file, e.g., myscript.js, and linking it to your HTML file using the script tag's src attribute. This is generally preferred for larger projects as it keeps your code organized and readable. In your HTML, you'd write something like this: script src myscript.js script. 5. Inside myscript.js, you'd write your JavaScript code just as you did in the inline method. 6. The third method, although less common, is to use an external JavaScript library or framework. These are pre-written collections of JavaScript code that provide extra functionality. To use them, you'll typically link to them using a script tag with a src attribute pointing to the library's online location or a local copy. 7. After you have your HTML file with the embedded or linked JavaScript code, open the HTML file in a web browser. The browser will interpret the HTML and execute the embedded JavaScript code. If you've made any errors in your JavaScript code, the browser's developer console, usually accessed by pressing F12, will usually display error messages helping you to debug your code. 8. Remember that JavaScript interacts with the HTML elements on the page. You can use JavaScript to change the content of elements, respond to user interactions, like clicks or form submissions, make dynamic updates to the page, and much more. 9. Mastering JavaScript involves understanding variables, operators, functions, DOM manipulation, working directly with page elements, events, and many other concepts. There are many free online resources available to learn JavaScript, including tutorials, documentation, and online courses. Experiment, practice writing small JavaScript snippets, and gradually build more complex scripts to build your